Just in case they ain't get the picture the first time around.
I see you, hater. My motivator. Y'all make me greater. Yeah.
It's been 3 days since I painted the car. I just been letting it sit out here. I wanted to pull it outside, but I said I might as well keep it inside because I want to paint this here, the black around here. Ain't nothing I can do about the chrome, but I could paint the black right here and here. Also, I need to paint the frame. You can see the overspray got on it. Also the under fender wheels. I'm gonna paint those satin black. And I didn't want to put no masking tape on this here before it cure up. I didn't want to trap the chemicals in. Also gonna paint the front and the fender wheels and touch up the frame. So I guess I get my jack and we'll get these wheels off and go from there. Okay, now we can see it a lot better. What I was talking about, that old spray got on the frame. A little bit here, some here. Much didn't get up here. I don't want to send it out like this because it didn't come in like this here. So we're gonna put some satin black on it, freshen it up. At the same time, I just clean off all the wheel wood and cured ones, clean them up a little. Alright, let me see, we can put this jack stand where it need to be. Okay, I got the wheels off. Now I'm gonna get some soap and water, clean up all this dust off the wheel wood brakes and the create ones. Also, I'll wipe some of the frame down. Now I start masking it off, masking this chrome off, masking around the painted area. Also, I'm gonna put some plastic over the entire car. Even though I still got a cut and buff, I'm gonna sand it, but still, I'm gonna keep that overspray off of it. Here's the front. I got everything masked up in plastic grocery bags, which I'm gonna have a piece of cardboard covering a lot of stuff up while I'm spraying it with one hand, holding the cardboard with one hand, spraying with the other hand. Let me show you this back. The back, I just got a piece of masking paper over everything. Same way with the other side. Pretty much got everything masked up now. Went on and trimmed this out here. I tried to wait to do this last so I won't have to leave that tape on there that long. I hate to trap them chemicals and get a reaction. Now, I'm finna scuff everything up with this maroon Scotch spray 07447. I'm just gonna tear a piece off and go around everything, scuff it up, get it painting some of the bun too. Also around up in here. Now we're about to spray this satin black. It's by Uricam. Slick flats, low gloss 2K urethane. I'm gonna be spraying it out my Satin Mini Jet 4400 HVLP 1.2 tip. Here's 3 coats. It's been about 10 minutes since I sprayed the last coat, but I'm about to go ahead and unmask this here off the paint, off the car. So like I said before, I don't want no moisture, not moisture, but chemicals getting trapped. Once it fully dry, I'll cut you back on, get another look at it.
a stud.